Watching a video without subtitles can be frustrating, especially when the audio isn't clear. Luckily, VLC makes adding subtitles pretty simple. In this guide, I'll show you how to load subtitle files, switch subtitle tracks, adjust timing, and customize how they appear. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and load the video you want to watch. You can use Media, then open File, or simply drag the video into VLC. Let the video start playing before adding your subtitle. Now open the Subtitle menu and select Add Subtitle File. Browse to your subtitle file, such as an SRT file, select it, and click Open. VLC should immediately display the subtitles while the video continues playing. If your video already contains subtitles, you may not need an external file. Open the Subtitle menu and look for Subtitle track. If multiple tracks are available, select the one you want. This is useful when a video includes several languages. If the subtitles appear too early or too late, VLC lets you adjust their timing. You can use the subtitle synchronization controls to move the subtitles forward or backward until they match the dialogue, so take a few seconds to find the right timing. To customize how subtitles look, open Tools and select Preferences, then go to the Subtitles or OSD settings. Depending on your VLC version, you can adjust options such as font, size, color, and other subtitle display settings. If your subtitles show strange symbols instead of readable text, the encoding may be incorrect. In VLC subtitle preferences, check the default text encoding and choose the setting that matches your subtitle file. Unicode formats like UTF-8 are commonly used for modern subtitle files. After changing subtitle preferences, click Save and restart VLC if the changes require it. Then open your video again and confirm the subtitles look and sync correctly. Once it's set up, you can use the same preferences for future videos, and that's how you add and customize subtitles in VLC. Load your video, add an SRT file, choose the correct track, fix the timing, and adjust the appearance when needed. Subtitles are much easier to manage once you know where these controls are.